Savvy buyers and investors are actively searching for a great real estate deal. If you are one of the lucky agents working with an asset manager, you know how much activity REOs can generate. A great way to attract buyers and keep asset managers happy is to create a single property website for each listing. Even if the property sells in a few days, the domain rider sign will remain up until the close of escrow, attracting buyers and advertising your skills as a real estate professional who knows how to market property online. What a time saver! Each website comes with a printable flyer, free listing syndication, and easy posting to Craigslist. Looking to break into the REO market? Add listing domains to your marketing plan. See how this powerful tool attracts buyers and tells asset managers you know how to harness the power of the internet to sell their listings.